Evergreen. Science, Environment, Health and Physical Education for Class 2. Food and movement of animals. Different animals eat different types of food, and they have different feeding habits. For example, animals like the cow and goat eat grass by chewing. Dog has meat and milk. It eats food by licking. Some animals eat only plants. They have flat teeth to chew the plant parts. Cow, goat, giraffe, elephant, deer are some examples. Some animals bite on their food into very small pieces. This is called gnawing. They have very sharp teeth. Rabbit and squirrel are some examples. Some animals eat only meat. Some eat small animals. Wild animals such as the lion, tiger, and cheetah eat bigger animals such as deer. They chase and kill the animals. They have sharp teeth to tear the meat. Human beings and some animals eat both plants and animals. Some animals eat the flesh of dead animals in the jungle. They keep the jungle clean. Vultures, hyenas, and jackals are some examples. They are called scavengers. Birds, snake, and frog swallow their food. Dogs and cats eat their food by lapping and chewing on bones. Some, like the leech, lice, and mosquito, suck blood of other animals. Butterfly sucks in the juice, nectar from flowers. It has a long tube inside its mouth to suck the nectar. Movement. Animals go from one place to another. This is called movement. Animals move in different ways. We and animals move using legs. This is called walking. Some animals fly. They use their wings to fly. Some animals move by dragging their body close to the ground. This is called crawling. Some animals swim or hop to move about. Ducks use webbed feet to swim in water. They can also walk on land. Fish use fins to swim in water. Frogs and grasshoppers hop. Frogs can also swim in water.